We're about to go for a drive and test out whether I can drive this car just off the battery. The alternators decided that it wanted to let go the other night, so it limped home. I did get home, I had to turn the headlights off, but the hazard lights on, and felt like I was going to have to reverse all the way home where it did break down. Here we go, I got a cold start. It's been a few days. Cold start 05350. Alternator kicked back on then. Voltage gauge went up to 14 volts. And she came back down. That was a 4.4. Now trying again. I got a 4.3. Which has 0 to 60 kilometers per hour. We did it in 64 meters. Sort of hard to focus. But yeah, 4.3 seconds. Well, hopefully you can see that. Just had our best run. 0 to 60, 3.3 seconds. As you can see by my voltage gauge here, my alternator is still not fixed. So we're running off the battery. Don't know if you can see that, but we've got pinhole leaks inside, straight through the weld. And they're pretty well known here. It's gonna have to get cut, sort of like that. This piece taken off, so then we can open up the pipe here, because at the moment there's a tiny little hole at one side. There's also some pinholes, leaks on that one too. rear wiper delete. And there's sanding dust everywhere. They're the latest updates, guys. Catch you in the next episode.